problem number 3. This problem asks, which of the following is true? So let's go through them one by one. Number 1, a double covalent bond has 2 electrons. This is false, right? So a double covalent bond looks like that. It contains 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Each of these bonds contains 2 electrons, so the correct answer to this would actually be 4 electrons. So that one is false. The next one, as a bond gets longer, it also gets stronger. This is not true. The shorter the bond, the stronger it is. 3, molecules cannot exist with an odd number of electrons. This is not true. When a molecule has an odd number of electrons, it's called a radical. You guys will get to that much later in chemistry. A good example would be NO. NO has got 11 electrons, right? So it already has an odd number. 5 plus 6. So you have your full octet here, and you want a full octet over here as best you can. So the resonance structure of NO, or the Lewis structure of NO, looks like that with odd electrons. So these two are also not true. For 4, all metals are solid at room temperature. This is not true. There are some metals that are gas and liquid at room temperature. And number 5 is true. Resonance structures must have the same net formal charge, which goes with the definition of resonance structure, because if they didn't have the same net formal charge, they would be different ions, and therefore they would not be resonance structures. A good example of this is HNO3, nitric acid. So if you have nitrogen so this is what one resonance structure of nitric acid looks like, right? And this has an overall net charge. Or let's take instead, let's pull this H off and make it an ion. So this has a formal charge of -1 right now, right? 7 minus 6 is -1. Well, the resonance structure of this would be this. Both of these have an overall net charge of -1. So number 5 is true.